first thing we want to do is remove our dipstick. This is going to help the engine frame vent properly when draining our engine oil. Up next, using a 19mm socket, we'll remove the crankcase drain bolt and let that oil drain completely, as well as the drain bolt that's located in the front of the frame. As these are draining, now's a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If they're damaged or missing, you'll want to replace them to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll reinstall our frame drain bolt and torque it to 22 foot-pounds. And we'll also reinstall our crankcase drain bolt. Torque this one is 22 foot-pounds as well. Now it's time to remove the old oil filter. When removing the oil filter, make sure you grab the rubber grommets that may stick to the side of the case. Now, installing our new filter, we want to make sure we put the metal nipple facing inward towards the engine and then reinstall our bolts. Just want to tighten these up good and snug is all, don't over tighten these. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha recommends that this unit holds 2.8 quarts of 20W50 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll reinstall our dipstick. And being this is a dry pump sump system, we want to let the engine idle for about 5 minutes or so. That's going to pull the engine oil out of the frame and into the crankcase and actually give us a better oil level reading. Once it's ran for about 5 minutes or so, then we want to shut it off and let it sit for about 2 minutes. That'll help us check a proper oil level. Now we'll remove our dipstick, wipe off the excess, and simply place it back on top of the threads and lift it out. And our oil level looks great. Let's hit the trail.